What is wellness? Keep watching to learn more. Your free worksheet for this video is available now. The link is in the description. What if the path to better health wasn't about perfection, but about progress, one small step at a time? Wellness isn't a finish line you cross. It's an evolving, living process. The ongoing work of healing ourselves holistically. True wellness touches every part of who you are. Your body, your mind, your spirit, your soul, and yes, the environment you live in. There is a deep connection between illness and the pursuit of good health. Every symptom, every struggle, it is your body asking for attention. Before you can move forward, you have to honestly define and recognize the current state of your health. No judgment, just clarity. The next step is identifying what you need to improve, and that looks completely different for every single person. Creating a simple roadmap keeps you from feeling overwhelmed. You don't have to do everything at once. Just know your very next right step. This is where it all begins, with small habit changes, a glass of water, 5 minutes of stillness, a short walk. These moments compound into transformation. Positive energy and a positive mindset literally influence how your body functions. Your immune system, your hormones, your nervous system. They all respond to what you think and feel. Conversely, chronic stress, fear, and negative thinking create real physical tension in the body. What we think, we feel. What we feel, we carry. Wellness is not about being perfect. It is about choosing, again and again, to move toward wholeness. Your micro action for today. Write down 3 words that honestly describe how you feel in your body right now. That is your starting point. Dive deeper into your wellness journey with your free worksheet. The link is in the description. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Zengoddess Wellness.